Abacus classes, making your child count. Please watch the video till last. Like and subscribe. Good evening, students. Welcome back. I hope you all are safe at home. So stay home, stay safe. Follow these rules at home as wash your hands properly and maintain social distancing. Our today's topic is multiplication by 6 by using abacus tool. So let's start. Students, as our today's topic is multiplication by 6. Multiplication by 6. So I will start today from dodging. Students, I have told you what is dodging. Dodging means you have to multiply any number directly without counting the tables. Like if I say you, what is 6 sevens are? So you don't have to count like this. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24. No. You just have to give the answer directly. What is 6 sevens are? 6 sevens are 42. Now, if I ask you what is 6 six are, then answer should come directly. 6 six are 36. Now students, this is dodging. Means you have to give the answer directly without counting the table from 1. Means 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. So this you have to learn at your home. Means I know that you have learned the table of 6. If I will ask from you, you will thoroughly speak the table. But you have to learn like this. Means fast. Like this, if I will ask you 6 nines are. So you don't have to count the table from 1, 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. Directly you will answer 6 nines are 54. Now this students you have to learn at your home. Like you will learn 6 fours are, 6 fives are, 6 threes are, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30. This directly you have to learn. A quick response means. So this thing will help you in multiplication by 6. Students, now set your abacus, upper beads up and lower beads down. Now your first question is 23 into 6. Now as you all know that first of all multiply your first digit with 6. 2 into 6. Now according to dodging, you will not count the table from 1, just 6 twos are 12 directly. Now as you all know that we start our calculation from hundreds rod. Hundreds rod you can say third rod also. 1, 2, 3. This is mid dot. From here third rod is hundreds rod. So you will start your calculation from this rod. So your first number will go in hundreds rod and second number will go in tens rod. So 1 in hundreds rod and 2 in tens rod. Now multiply your next digit with 6. 6 threes are 18. Now your first number in tens rod and second number in units rod. Remember students, this you have to remember. First number in tens rod, second number in units rod. So 1 in tens rod and 8 in hundreds rod. See what is your answer? 1 in hundreds rod, 3 in tens rod, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 in 138 is your answer. Now your second question. 72 into 6. Set your abacus again. Lower beads down and upper beads up. Students, when you will practice these sums again and again, you will be well known by it. By the method which we are using, easily you can do your calculations. Now your first digit with 6. 7 6 are 42. As you all know, first digit in hundreds rod, second in tens rod. So 4 in 100 rod and 2 in tens rod. Now your second multiplication. Multiplication of 2 with 6. 6 2s are 12. Your first digit in tens rod and second in units rod. Please remember it. 1 tens rod, 2 in units rod. So what is your answer? See, 4 3 2, and this is your answer. Students, now we will switch to our third question. Our third question is 80 into 6. Now 6 8s are your first digit with 6. 6 8s are 48. Now set your abacus. First digit in hundreds rod, second in tens rod, 4 in 100 rod, and 8 in tens rod, 5 6 7 8. Now your second number with 6. 0 6 are 0. Now a single digit is there, so it will go in units rod. 0 is there, so nothing will be there in units rod. So nothing. So what is your answer? 4 8, and nothing means 0. Nothing means you don't have to leave that rod. Nothing means 0. Now your last question, students. 11 into 6. Now multiply your first digit with 6. Now 1 6 are 6. Now students, I think you remember the 0 rule. This rule states that whenever we get a single digit number in the first stage, we have to put a 0 in beginning. 0 rule states that if a single digit comes in the first place, means it is a first time multiplication. You are multiplying the first digit, and when you multiply the first digit and a single digit come, you will apply the 0 rule here. And what this rule says? This rule says that whenever a single digit comes in the first place, you will apply 1 0 in front of it. It will become 06. This is 0 rule. If you don't remember it, you can go through my previous videos. In that clearly I have told you, and specifically you can go through my first video or second video. In that I have clearly explained you that what is 0 rule. Now first digit in hundreds place and second in tens. Set your abacus. 0 in hundreds rod. Now 0 in hundreds rod means nothing. Now 6 in tens rod. Now multiply your next digit with 6. Now 6 ones are 6. Now students, this is a single digit. When there will be two digits like this. So first digit will go in tens and second will go in unit rod. But this is for 2 digit. But see, here is single digit. So the single digit will go in units rod. So 6. Unit rod 5, 6. So what is your answer? See, in hundreds place 0. In second place it is 6 and 6. So 066 means 66 and this is your answer. Students, with this video I have given you one practice PDF. As I always says, the more you practice, the better the results. So please practice the given PDF at home and try to solve the questions with the help of abacus. As you will practice the sums again and again, you can easily do these sums with the help of abacus tool. Practice the sums at home. As I always says, the more you practice, the better the results. Thank you.